Hi everyone, welcome back to Jady Kreativ. So happy to have you back today. Today's video is all about decorative stitches, which don't just look pretty, but actually help repair your clothes too. These stitches are perfect for fixing small tears, shortening sleeves or hems, and at the same time, turning simple repairs into beautiful details. Everything you'll see today is done completely by hand, with just a needle and thread, no sewing machine needed. Beginner-friendly, simple, and really fun to try. Alright, let's get started with the first stitch. This is chain link decorative stitch. It creates a row of small looped links that connect smoothly to each other, forming a soft, flexible line on the fabric. This stitch is perfect for adding a subtle decorative detail to sweaters, cuffs, hems, or neckline areas. It's not meant to be super strong, but it adds a beautiful handmade touch and works especially well on knit fabrics. The second one is called a herringbone stitch. It's a really interesting stitch with crisscross lines, and you can mix different colors to create beautiful patterns. So grab your needle and thread, and let's do this together. Keeping the spacing even helps the pattern look clean and balanced. This stitch works beautifully on sweaters, cuffs, hems, or as a decorative panel. It's great for restyling, covering small flaws, or simply adding a unique handmade detail. And the next one is a decorative star stitch. It looks cute, but it also helps secure the cuff and keep it from stretching. So you're not just decorating, you're actually repairing your clothes. Before we move on, I just want to say, these stitches are not only for decoration. You can use them to reinforce seams, fix worn edges, shorten sleeves, cuffs, or hems, and make old clothes feel new again. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more hand sewing tips. We still have a few beautiful and useful stitches coming up. This stitch is called a feather stitch. It creates a beautiful, branch-like pattern that looks soft and organic, almost like little leaves growing along a stem. Feather stitch is mainly decorative, but it also adds a nice handmade texture to your clothes. It's perfect for embellishing sweaters, cuffs, hems, necklines, or even covering small imperfections in the fabric. Finally is the stitch which doesn't really have a fixed name. It's just a simple decorative hand stitch, a center line with small loop stitches on the sides. It's easy to do, looks cute, and works great for both decorating and reinforcing seams. I love this stitch because it's decorative, but it also helps hold the fabric in place, perfect for cuffs, hems, or small repairs. And that's it for today's decorative stitches, simple, practical, and beautiful, all done by hand. I hope this video shows you that repairing clothes doesn't have to look boring. With the right stitch, every fix can become a design detail. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which stitch you liked the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy clothing repair and DIY ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.